So this is a move I know as Joel's move. It's kind of like a half front Stevetrix matrix thing. Kind of like a CJ move where they roll the ball under their arm as well, though I learnt it much before that kind of came about. So is this how I'm going to do it? That's the start of it. That little hand flick is super necessary. And then there it is in full. Here is me doing it again. So it goes around my neck. Do this little flick to get it to keep the roll. And roll back down my arm in the way of an angel roll would. And I'm really going to lean, have it come, center point go to the outside of my arm as it comes down that hand initially. And then lean over and have it wrap onto my chest. And then the other arm is there just to pick it up. So here we go again. Yep. So the flick, have the center point to the outside. And then it'll naturally come down onto my chest. So this is from the normal way of my Steve, flick into the angel roll, the center point on the outside, and then it'll come round onto my chest. So if you watch the center point, hopefully I do it. I don't need to do it as much as I could. Could exaggerate it a bit more, but I'm not. So the center point's on the outside, away from my body. Oh, it's not very much that time. And then onto my chest and onto the other arm. That wasn't the best one. And this you could go into a full matrix. I believe I'm just going to do it a couple more times from the front. But the front matrix is quite a lot of leaning back, and it's not that much fun for my back, actually. But again, this one probably engage the core if you're going to do any kind of leaning or back bending.